Welcome to our video guide on the top-selling laptops currently available on Amazon.in. We will cover specifications, pricing, and provide a buyer's guide to help you make the right choice. The tech landscape is evolving rapidly. Key trends today include AI integration for local tasks, high-performance budget laptops, and hybrid gaming machines capable of handling demanding engineering software. For budget essentials under 45,000 rupees, perfect for humanities students and writers, the ASUS SmartChoice Aspire One is a top pick. It features an AMD Ryzen 3 processor, 8GB of RAM, and a 256GB SSD, priced at 42,990 rupees. In the mainstream sweet spot of 60,000 to 75,000 rupees, we recommend the ASUS Vivobook. Ideal for business and science majors, it offers an Intel Core i5 13th Gen processor, 16GB of RAM, and a 512GB SSD for 65,990 rupees. For heavy-duty tasks like engineering, design, and gaming, you need a dedicated GPU. The HP Victus and ASUS TUF A15 are excellent choices, offering the power required for software like AutoCAD and 3D rendering. The premium ecosystem segment features the Apple MacBook Air. Starting at 72,990 rupees, it is built for programmers and creatives who prioritize extreme efficiency and AI capabilities with the M5 or A18 Pro chips. The future is here with AI PCs. These machines, like the latest HP models, feature a dedicated NPU alongside the CPU and GPU. This allows them to process AI tasks locally, significantly extending battery life up to 34 hours. Use this synthesis matrix to match your major to the right specifications. Whether you are in humanities, business, or engineering, this table helps align your academic needs with the correct CPU, RAM, GPU, and budget. Before you buy, follow our expert checklist. Ensure the RAM is upgradable. Check if MS Office 2024 is included to avoid extra costs, and prioritize battery life for long days on campus. Remember, your laptop is an investment in your education. Match the machine to your mission by buying the specifications you actually need. Thank you for watching.